Okay, here we go. We got another exciting open box video. This time, I am the lucky recipient of a pair of sneakers. You say, what kind of sneakers? Well, they came in this beautiful solo box, and it looks like the box was manufactured. Gonna find out what is going on here. Yep, the box looks a little customized, repurposed. Come on. Now, this box happens to say Tom Sachs and the Mars rover, Earth. Now here's what's interesting. So thank you for that, Tom. Here's the Mars Yard 2.0. Mars Yard 2.0, 2017. These shoes are only valid if worn and worn to death by you. Posers need not apply. So, I am that guy. Not going to be posing. We got the signature duct tape top, the Nikecraft zine. That's a worn pair for sure. Here is one of the research scientists, athletes, Tommaso Rivellini. The beautiful shoe. Some history on it. Some work hard and be brave incentive. The hero's journey, of course, and the 10 bullets icon. So we can see the beautiful shoes here, and what we immediately know, of course, is the signed by Tom inside. We've got the mesh sock liner. Let's take a look at that. The mesh sock liner with our solar system. This is not to scale. And you got to have the clove hitch knot. Beautiful feeling shoe. You can see the extrusion here with the grippers that look great when walking on the surface of Mars, of course. Color, and there's a set of cork insoles with the composition, elemental composition: hydrogen, helium, oxygen, carbon, neon, iron, nitrogen, silicon, magnesium, sulfur, other. This is what the universe is composed of. And the cork sock liner. So here they are. Can't wait to get going with them. That's the way you start the day. So signing off with the Mars 2.0 edition. Thanks.